In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste text styles in Figma. This is a fundamental skill that will dramatically speed up your workflow and help you maintain design consistency across your projects. Instead of manually adjusting every text property like font family, size, color, line height, and letter spacing, you can simply copy the entire style from one text layer and apply it to another with just a couple of keyboard shortcuts. It's an incredibly efficient way to ensure your typography is unified and polished, saving you valuable time and effort in your design process. Let's dive into the first step. Imagine you have a beautifully styled piece of text in your Figma design. Perhaps it's a heading with a specific font, weight, color, and line spacing that you absolutely love and want to replicate elsewhere. To copy this entire style, you first need to select that source text layer. Simply click on the text element on your canvas that possesses the style you wish to duplicate. Once selected, turn your attention to your keyboard. The magic combination here is Ctrl plus Alt plus C. This isn't your standard copy command for text content. Instead, it specifically copies all the stylistic attributes of the selected text. It's crucial to press all three keys simultaneously: Ctrl, Alt, and the letter C. Don't worry if you don't see any immediate visual change on the canvas. The style has now been successfully copied to your clipboard, ready to be applied. This method captures everything from the font family and size to the color, weight, letter spacing, and line height, giving you a complete stylistic snapshot of your text. With the text style now residing in your clipboard, the next step is to apply it to another text layer. This is where you can effortlessly transform the appearance of any unstyled or differently styled text. First, you'll need to navigate to and select the text element where you want to paste this copied style. Just as before, simply click on the target text layer on your canvas. Once it's selected, it's time for the paste command. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Again, remember to press all three keys together: Ctrl, Alt, and the letter 5. As soon as you execute this command, you'll see an instant transformation. The selected text will immediately adopt all the stylistic properties you copied from the first text layer. Its font, size, color, and all other attributes will perfectly match. This means you can quickly standardize headings, body text, or any other typographic elements across your entire design file with incredible ease.